Good morning, Harrison. It's Friday, December 13, 2019.
Dun, dun, dun.
These are your morning announcements. My name is Herschel.
And I'm Elliot. Today we have 3 helpers from Miss Brown's class to help us with the Pledge of Allegiance.
Please stand.
Hi, my name is Brendan. Hi, my name is Marcus. Hi, my name is Isaiah. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. I am a peacemaker. I pledge to recognize the good people do, to make positive choices and help others to do the same. I will build peace at school, at home, and in my community every day.
Thanks. Lunch for today will be whole grain pizza bites, green beans, sliced peaches, and milk.
As always, that sounds amazing. Now for a Harrison birthdays. There are no Harrison birthdays today. Tomorrow, but on Sunday, Alicia Cashy Byers has a birthday. Happy birthday to you.
A huge thank you to everyone who brought in food for the canned food drive.
Our
Harrison
families were very generous again. The Lakewood families will be very grateful to receive the assistance this holiday season. Before we go over to James and Jocelyn with the Super Story segment, let's go over to Nathan with the check on the weather.
Hi there. For today, we'll see cloudy skies and a high of 42 degrees. I predict a 91% chance of outdoor recess for Saturday. It may snow. You can expect some snow on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as well, with the high staying in the low 30s. As always, be sure to dress for the weather and make it a wonderful weather day. Let's go over to James and Jocelyn with our fun facts.
Good morning. Today we will be continuing to learn how other people celebrate Christmas in other countries.
Oh, today we will be learning how to make Russian tea cakes, a traditional holiday treat in Russia.
You need half a cup of butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, a cup of flour, half a cup of chopped walnuts, and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar.
Whenever you cook, be sure to get adults' permission. We've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. That's your first step. Secondly, in a bowl, cream the butter and vanilla until it is smooth.
Delicious.
That was... Now it's time to end our newscast with a joke. What kind of Christmas music do elves like?
I have no idea. What kind of music does Christmas elf like, huh?
I don't even know. Oh, rap music.
Our attendance team will take you to infinity and beyond. Come on, students, reach for the stars. Turn to your neighbor and remind them you've got a friend in me. We can do this. Let's kaboom. That's a great weekend.
This is
James.
Jocelyn, Elliot,
Herschel, and Nathan.
signing off. The news is in and we are out.